In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, Kian Morgan speaks with a farmer from Manchester who is not only passionate about his job, but is using his story to inspire others to till the soil instead of turning to crime. The farmer, who is a recipient of the Prime Minister's Youth Award, says hard work comes with sacrifice.
A Ray of Hope.
Livestock farming. It's what LaFrance Gale from Top Hill, Manchester loves dearly and knows best. It's a profession he's been doing since he was a child.
I would get up like around 5:30 and I would take them out in the field to feed and leave them there, go to school. During the evening, when I come back from school, I take them in and put them in their house, goat house.
A hobby he was teased about at school.
Call me like herdsman and all these things, but I never stop because you know what you love and you have to do what you love.
However, he didn't take it serious until a friend influenced him to turn his hobby into a business.
I used to visit his farm and I see that he's making money out of farming. So I said, why not trying it? And then he gave me that one goat, and that one goat has increased, and I have around 30 goats now at the moment.
Rearing goats for over 10 years, LaFrance says he's driven by passion and wanting to be his own boss.
The love that I have for the animals, it keeps me going and visit the farm day to day and looking at the animals growing, and you say, all right, why not continue? I can see what I'm doing. So what they're working for.
And with goat rearing a rarity in Jamaica, LaFrance says he feels honored to supply the locally scarce resource to his homeland. He believes it's his dedication over the years which led him to being recognized for the Prime Minister's Youth Awards in the category of agriculture and agro-processing.
It has made a very big impact in my life to get a reward from the Prime Minister.
And though the thought of giving up has crossed his mind, he says it's all about a sacrifice.
Like when your friends go into party and dance and you name it, you have to put some of that aside and save your money to do your business, reinvest in the business, like to buy a wire, to get fence posts, to pay man labor. So you have to sacrifice some things and put in the time and the work.
In the future, LaFrance's dream is to branch off into supplying goat milk for cheese production, as well as increasing his herd to 100 to start a butchery. He's reminding young men like him that traditional jobs like farming are still an honest way to make a profitable living.
You don't have to turn to crime to make money. You can make money out of farming. You don't have to do a 9 to 5 to make money out of farming. Back in the days, they used to look at farming like farming is not a business, but nowadays, everyone see that you can make money out of farming. It's a business.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.